How's it going, guys? Today is January 8th or 9th, I forget what day it was, 2021. And today I have an unboxing video and an installation video of this switch, light switch for my Sur Ron. So, I bought this off of eBay. And this is a cool little note here that the seller wrote. I'll put his, or hers, link in the description. So here's the switch. Put that back in there. Off, on. Sounds really nice, really snappy. Okay, here is the bottom. Hopefully it's waterproof. This should be a plug and play, no cutting of wires. So here are the plugs that you will need. Here is the wires, nice and thick. Length of the wire. Here's my arm. I don't know, a couple feet. But first things first, I'm gonna give this bike a bath because it's kind of dirty. All right, here we go. Bike is clean. Shut up, rooster. Okay, so we gotta follow the line for the light, and it goes all the way in here. So we have to take these two bolts off. Okay, I got my number 4 Allen over here. And just what I thought, just like the last time I had a problem taking this off. So I gotta remove my cover. Ah. Okay. It's a little wet in here. Follow the black wire down and around into the abyss of wires. There we go. Okay, let me just wipe this down. Seems a little bit wet. Alright, here we are. And here's the connection. So you just press down. And my fingers are slippery. My fault for lubricating everything. Oh man, here we go. I just had to kill this thing. It was stuck. Kind of crooked there. Alright, okay, so we got our switch here. So a big side should go into little side. That little side goes into the big side. Like so. So it's off right now. Let me put the battery in. Turn the breaker. Key on. Where do I put the switch? Oh, there. Here is the switch. Off, on. Put it on. Oh yeah. Back up. Boom. It works. It works, guys. Alright. I just have to mount it. But before I do that, I'm going to disconnect it. I'm going to shove some dielectric grease in there. Before I do that, off, breaker off, then oops, kick the camera, key on, and discharged. Alright, use the Phillips. Looks like it will work though. Over here. It's good to me. I'm gonna shoot some grease. Shoot some grease down there. Okay, I may be overdoing it a little bit, but that's just the way I am. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Just plug and play and you're done. Remember now, if I can do it, so can you. Aloha and take care. Thanks for watching. Bye. Ooh. Better put on my chain. How's it going, guys? Hope everybody's doing great. How's it going, guys? Hopefully you're doing great.